Going to show you now how to create your YouTube profile picture. Now, you don't have to use this for your profile picture for YouTube, but if you want to, Canva just makes it easy. All right, so I want to show you. So here we are. Again, we're going to click in here. Now you can tell I've already typed in YouTube profile picture. So we're going to click that YouTube profile picture, just type that in, scroll down, find the best one that suits your needs. And when you find that, then we can choose it. So I might choose this one here. Okay, so yes, I want to customize this template. It's a little artsy, it's creative. So open this design in the Canva app. So again, I have the Canva app, but I'm using the online version. So it works either way on your computer or your Apple computer or your phone. All right, so here we go. That's not me. Let's get rid of that photo. I'm going to click it. I'm going to delete it. I now, remember, go to uploads. If you watched my other video, we already added this. If you haven't, click here and go back and watch my previous video on how to create banner ads and how to remove the background. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go to the uploads. Now I can upload a file that I have in my computer. Another way you can get a file in your computer is by taking a picture using your phone, email it to yourself, open the email on your computer, download it. Now you can then upload files, go to your download folder, click on that file, whichever one it is, and then click open. This is the one I want to use. So I've got some options here. So now I'm here and I want to add a photo to this. Now I can either upload it. In this case, I've already gone to my upload folders and I want to use one of these other photos. So I'm going to use this one. And what I like about this is anytime you see this as a background, that means it's going to allow you to implant that photo in there. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I want to make it a little bit bigger. And now I'm just going to come over here. Boom, there it is right there. So that can be my creator image right there. Now, how do I download this? So this could be my YouTube profile picture right here if I'm happy with this. How do I download this? I go share, go here, download. It already knows because I said YouTube profile picture, it already knows it needs to be 800 by 800 pixels. So you see how Canva makes it so much easier for you. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download. It is now downloading it and we are good. It saved it to my download folder on my computer. All right, I hope that helps you guys now. Okay, watch this next video where I take you step by step how to customize your YouTube channel.